That was on purpose.
Yo.
That was actually dirty.
Yo, he's trying to break his fucking kneecap.
Yeah, he won. And you see how he stopped and he was still pushing it out. He's dirty.
Really trying to take that guy's ACL.
The fuck is Dave? Bro, some fucking random shit. Who is that kid? Holy fuck. Did you see that? What? No.
He hit a flying squirrel.
No shot. Brady did?
Yes. I think so, at least.
Oh, that kid.
I don't even know him.
No. He looks kind of strong though.
It's D1.
That should be. How is that rookies? He's never wrestled before.
Open.
It's not rookies. And that kid's good. Yo, that looked uncomfortable as fuck.
Oh, Brady!
Come on, Brady! Go, Brady!
That's spin.
That was such a good match.
What happened?
Brady won.
Okay. Fucking dislocated shoulder.
Nah, he passed out.